sign. Make a baby.
No.
Welcome back mga Lods! For this week's video, we will share you our 4 days and 3 nights honeymoon stay in InterContinental Dubai Marina na wedding gift ng aming very sweet Sisi Ate Michelle and her hubby, Sir Karl. Let us show you the room and its spectacular balcony view of Dubai Marina Bay. Welcome! I want you to come here!
Wow, nice.
This is a sign. Make a baby.
No.
They said make a baby. They want a niece. Thank you, Sir Karl and Ate Michelle. Ba aura kayo? This is my space. This is my space and this is your space. The loving couple gave us this very nice executive suite and honestly no idea for the room rate. So if you are interested, just visit the page or call the hotel directly. This is the view. I love you. So here's some snaps from our romantic night and forgot to take a video of it because we got overwhelmed on how fascinating the night view is. Good night! Toot! Wow! Cause wifey is a sleepyhead and hubby is a morning person, didn't even felt that he took a video of how relaxing the early morning view is. Breaky! Breakfast buffet is available on ground floor and foods were very manyaman. Let's explore more what's within the area. Until... We decided to try this Karim bike, which is a bike sharing where you will be renting a bike and dock it back in any of their various stations.
Scooter naman.
No, we'll go home na.
And of course, a hotel stay won't be complete if we won't gonna enjoy their pool area. I enjoyed the water and sun with my Barbie two-piece swimwear while the boss amo was there under the shade and hiding from the sun.
Thank you for a wonderful stay at Michelle and Sir Karl. We enjoyed it a lot. Thank you.
And that's it for today. See you in our next video. Bye! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.